Hi, we're doing our project on the digestive system.
You may not know much about it, so here's the definition.
The digestive system is defined to be a system in which ingested food is acted upon by physical and chemical means to provide the body with absorbable nutrients and excrete waste products.
Fun facts!
You produce about 3 of these worth of saliva a day.
These are the organs that make up the digestive system.
The mouth chews to break down food so that it can be easily digested.
Salivary gland, secretion of the saliva which helps digest the carbohydrates, moistens food so it can be swallowed easier, and helps the taste buds so you can eat the foods you want.
Esophagus transports the food from the pharynx to the stomach. Liver produces bile, which is necessary to break down the food. Produces nutrients and toxins that were absorbed from the stomach into the liver to be broken down further. The liver receives and produces glucose, and when the body needs energy, the liver will transport the glycan back into the glucose.
The function of our stomach is to store food and to break it down into a liquid called chyme, using enzymes.
The pancreas breaks down protein, carbohydrates, and fats with its own pancreas fluids.
The gallbladder stores, concentrates, and secretes the bile that was created in the liver.
Large intestine, responsible to reabsorb water and maintains the fluid balance of the body. Small intestine, responsible for absorbing most of the nutrients that comes from your food.
Rectum is how the waste is released out of the body, finishing the digestive process.
Fun facts!
Muscles contract waves that move down the esophagus. This means that food will go down a person's stomach even if they're upside down.
Like this!
Saliva has an enzyme called amylase that breaks the chemical bond in starches and releases sugars. Protease helps break down proteins. Lipase, secreted by the pancreas, refers to any several enzymes that increase the breakdown of fats.
Fun facts! An adult stomach can hold approximately 1.5 liters of substances. The liver is a mandatory organ. It produces bile, which is a fluid made of salt and lipids, excretion of bilirubin, cholesterol, hormones, drugs, and storage of glycogen, vitamins, and minerals. The pancreas completes the job of breaking down proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, using the digestive fluids of the pancreas combined with the fluids of the intestines, and the pancreas secretes glucagon and insulin. Fun facts!
After you eat, it takes usually between 24 and 74 hours in healthy adults for the complete process of digestion to occur.
Comparing mechanical digestion and chemical digestion. Chemical digestion is a process that breaks larger food parts into smaller molecules, the way the cell can take them in. Mechanical digestion is a process where food breaks down into smaller pieces by hewing or smashing.
Fun facts!
The stomach's wall is lined with 3 layers of powerful muscles.
As you chew food, digestive enzymes break down carbohydrates into smaller hydrates. This begins in the mouth, stops, then resumes in the small intestine. For proteins, the combination of pepsin and hydrochloric acid begins a complex process called protein digestion. This process takes place in the stomach. Fats. The fats are broken down by the enzyme called lipase. This takes place in the small intestine from the pancreas.